So the first one I want to talk about today is selling digital products, specifically on Etsy. Selling digital products was one of the biggest goals that I set for myself in 2021, and I was able to achieve that through launching my first ever Etsy shop. So what I do on Etsy is I sell Word doc resume templates. The nicest thing about digital products is that you only have to create them once. After you're done creating your templates or any other digital products, all you need to do is to upload them onto your Etsy shop, or in my case, I also do sell them on my website where I provide coaching services. And then every time when a customer is interested in your product, all they need to do is to buy it through Etsy and download it, and you will get paid automatically. You don't have to pay to store inventory, you don't have to pack the product, you don't have to ship it, you don't have to deal with returns, or any other things that you would normally have to do with a physical product, which is exactly what makes this source of income so passive. And by the way, you don't have to sell resume templates like I do. The reason why I do it is because I do have a career coaching practice and I work in recruiting, so my audience and my social media following tends to be people who are looking for jobs. But if you check on Etsy, there are a lot of people that sell other types of digital products such as wedding invitations, digital planners, digital calendars, digital artwork. There are so many options out there. And if you want to check out my Etsy shop just to get some ideas for your digital product business, I will link it in the description down below. Okay, so the next one is selling online courses. So technically, online courses are another type of digital products, except they do take a lot more time to create. Those of you who have been following me on social media, have been subscribed to my YouTube channel, probably know that earlier this year, I launched my very first online course. So if you're a subject matter expert in any area that you think could be in demand, so for example, I've seen people creating courses about anything from like digital marketing to photography to painting to gardening to like coding or even time management and life coaching. Like anything that you think would bring value to other people, you can pretty much turn into a course. So in my case, I have a background in recruiting and I've successfully hired people for companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter, just a lot of big Fortune 500 companies. So for me, it was a logical decision to create a job interview course, which pretty much teaches people strategies that will help them to perform better on a job interview. So once I finished creating the course, I ended up launching it on Udemy, which is one of the most well-known online course marketplaces out there. Eventually, what I also decided to do is to post the same course on other platforms such as Skillshare, Skill Success, and several other platforms, which again, I think was a good decision because that way I'm able to get the most out of this one course. I'm also able to provide value to a larger audience and obviously make more revenue. Even though my course doesn't currently make a ton of money, it's still a pretty good passive source of income that I'm making every single month. It's been roughly 7 months since I launched the course and I'm still making money off of it. So yeah, if selling courses is something you're interested in, this can definitely be a great source of passive income. So the next on our list is Amazon FBA. If you're passionate about building an online business or passive income, I'm sure you've heard of Amazon FBA before. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. Now, let me tell you a little secret. Just make sure not to tell anyone. Whenever you buy something on Amazon, the product that you're purchasing is not actually manufactured and even sold by Amazon. Most of the products that you see are sourced and actually sold by third-party Amazon sellers. So what you do as an Amazon seller is you come up with a product idea, find a manufacturer that is able to create that product. Most of the time you'd find those manufacturers in places like China. Then they put the company's label on it. Once the product is finished, Amazon sellers ship the product from China over to an Amazon fulfillment center, and then after that, Amazon takes over the rest. They would store the inventory, they would pack the product, and they would ship it to the customer. They will also deal with things like payments, returns, customer service, all of those things. So if you want to become an Amazon seller, the majority of the work that you're going to be doing is just sourcing the product and make sure it gets over to the Amazon warehouse, and the rest of it is all done by Amazon. That's why it's called Fulfilled by Amazon, because they fulfill all of your orders. And that is exactly what makes it a very passive source of income once the initial work is done. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, but we're not going to have enough time to go over it in this video. If you're interested in Amazon FBA, there's so much content about it on YouTube. I'm actually currently working on my first product and trying to get into Amazon FBA. So if you are interested in seeing the progress and if you want to follow my journey, please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I will definitely be posting more content about it. All right, one quick thing that we need to talk about is that this is definitely not a cheap business to start. So with things like, digital products, templates, or even your online course, sometimes you're able to start it for literally free. But with Amazon FBA, you do need to invest quite a bit of money up front because you do need to pay to purchase the inventory. Then you do also have to pay for things like shipping. Obviously, Amazon will charge you a specific fee for fulfilling your orders. You do also have to spend a little bit of money on, like marketing, photos, things like that. So it's definitely a more capital intensive type of business. And depending on the product that you sell, it can be a lot, it can be, very little. But the majority of the people that I've seen on YouTube started the Amazon FBA business with less than $10,000, which may sound like a lot of money, but it's definitely way cheaper than starting a traditional business. If you open an ice cream shop, it will cost you tens of thousands of dollars to purchase inventory, the machinery, to lease a retail space. So if you think about it, Amazon FBA is still a pretty doable type of business. So I totally understand if you don't have thousands of dollars to start an Amazon FBA business, because depending on where you are in life, you might not have that amount of money just yet. So what do you do if you still want to sell something on Amazon? Another great alternative to Amazon FBA could be Merch by Amazon. So what you do with Merch by Amazon is you create your own merch design. So for example, you can create a t-shirt design, a hoodie design. I also heard they recently got into phone cases. So once you create your design, you can upload it onto Merch by Amazon. And whenever somebody wants to purchase your merch design, Amazon will print it and ship it to the customer. So now this business model is what's called print on demand, which means Amazon will only print the design once somebody purchased it, which again can be a really nice alternative to Amazon FBA because you don't have to purchase your inventory up front and you're not risking losing your money if nobody likes your t-shirt design. Now, the way that you get paid is you earn monthly royalties. There are different tiers when it comes to royalties. I will include the link down below to Merch by Amazon if you want to learn more about it. I just don't want to make this video super long. So if that's something you're interested in and want me to make a separate video, please leave the comment down below so that I know. So the next way that you can create passive income is through creating content. So if you like being on video and you like video editing, you can definitely start a YouTube channel. It's not a secret to anyone that YouTubers do get paid through things like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships. And while YouTube may not seem like a very passive source of income because it does take a lot of work to create these videos and to promote your videos, however, a lot of popular YouTubers are still making money off of videos that they uploaded years and years ago. So this is definitely something that takes a lot of time to build up, but once you have a lot of subscribers and views, this can become a pretty passive and a pretty high-paying source of income. You've probably heard of YouTubers that make 6 or even 7 figures off of just the advertising revenue. That doesn't even include things like affiliate marketing and brand sponsorships and other ways that they can make money. So if you always wanted to start a YouTube channel, it's perfect time. Okay, but let's say you don't really like being on video or you just don't want people to, I don't know, see your face online, which I've definitely been there. You can always start a podcast. Podcasts have been a very popular source of entertainment. And the nice thing is that you don't have to show your face. All you have to do is record your voice. What I also like about podcasting is that it does cost less to start because with YouTube, sometimes you need the things like a camera, maybe some lights, maybe a nicer background, background. You don't technically have to have all those things, because I know plenty of people that start their YouTube channel using just an iPhone, but overall it can be a little bit costly if you don't already have a camera and other equipment on hands. And by the way, you can still do things like run ads on your podcast, have affiliate marketing, have brand partnerships, so a lot of the same benefits as YouTubers. So you can monetize your podcasts in a lot of the same ways as you would do with your YouTube channel. So for those of you who don't like hearing the sound of their own voice and just don't like being on camera, you can always resort to blogging. So blogging has been around for quite some time now. If you have some interesting ideas that you want to share with the world, or you have some valuable information, you can always create a blog. So you can write blog posts on your own website. A lot of people use things like WordPress for their blogs, or you can also write for platforms like Medium, which will pay you for every time somebody reads your posts. A great way to monetize your blog is to start putting Google ads on it, and every time somebody sees and clicks the ad, you earn some revenue. Or you can also do affiliate marketing, where you recommend other people's products. You can also have brand sponsorships. So all the same benefits as you would get with podcasts and YouTube videos. Well, okay, I keep repeating affiliate marketing, but some of you might be like, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is great for people who don't really want to create their own digital or physical products, but want to recommend other people's products and earn commission every time somebody finds the product through you and purchases it. So for example, right now in my description box down below, I have several affiliate links. I usually post affiliate links to products and services that I stand by, that I really believe in and had a good experience with and want to recommend to my audience. So one of the most well-known affiliate programs out there is the Amazon Associates program. Let's say you purchase something on Amazon and you really enjoyed the product, you can recommend it to other people on social media, on your own blog, and again, every time somebody uses your link and purchases the product, you get a commission off of it. Your affiliate commissions can be anywhere from less than 10% to over 50%, depending on the product. So if you have social media following and where you have a lot of people that trust you, affiliate marketing would be a great way to make passive income. All right, last but not least, for those of you who say, I don't want to do digital products, I don't like being on camera, I don't like creating content, I just want to have a 9-to-5 job and make a little bit of passive income on the side. In this case, probably the simplest way that you can make passive income is through dividend investing. Dividend investing is when you purchase stocks that pay quarterly dividends. I hope that's simple enough of an explanation. So for example, some of my favorite dividend paying stocks that I own are United Healthcare, Bank of Montreal, BlackRock, and several other stocks from companies that I really admire and believe in. The way that works is those companies would pay you a small percentage of the stock every single month just because you own the stock. That is probably the one true super passive source of income. Obviously, you do have to probably make money from, your 9-to-5 job or for somewhere else to invest into those stocks and build up a portfolio before you can start making healthy amount of money from dividends. But again, once you have built up a portfolio of strong performing dividend stocks, you can make a truly passive income every single month. Anyways, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite way of making passive income, because we can all learn from each other. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!